So we were just inside and we were lining up so that we can go shoot, and we brought in what's classified or will be classified as an assault weapon. The gun is completely legal right now, and we were told just to play it safe because there would be people out there that would be afraid of the gun and we would possibly get bad media from it. They asked us not to shoot the guns, so we put the weapons away, and now in protest we're not shooting. We will be speaking, hopefully, if they haven't thrown us out of the club before then. That's what it is. Every gun that's going to be out in the range is going to be compliant to unconstitutional law. How is this a protest? How is this a protest?
Yeah, so come the 15th, every gun you have is not affected anyways.
Gotcha. It's not a protest. What it is, and I'm sorry to say this because I know that you're the organizer.
Yes. All right. No, it's fine.
This is a show of compliance.
Even though they know it's legal, they still don't want us to shoot it because of controversy and the looks.
What was it that you said to me? Didn't you say to me it was our duty not to abide by an unconstitutional
On the phone.
On the phone, when we spoke. That's what you said.
It's not only our right. It's not only our right. I said it for the camera.
Right.
Why not? There is a vein. Actually, more than a vein. There is a river, a stream of thinking along the lines of constitutionality that it is not only our right, it is our duty to disobey a law that is not right, if it's unjust.
Are you gonna shoot?
I am, sir.
Shooters, lock and load your firearms. Aim. Fire!
Good afternoon, fellow patriots. As Jay did mention, our approach with our group, the New York Revolution Group, is one of civil disobedience, of non-compliance. We take a very, very hard line on non-compliance. I want to read something to you. I was asked to, a video was being made, and I was asked to make a statement for that video. And this is the first two lines of that statement. In times of tyranny, many will be enslaved. Let me repeat that. In times of tyranny, many will be enslaved. I have to put my glasses on, excuse me. Not by shackles, but by the way in which they've been taught to think. Not by shackles, but by the way they have been taught to think. Thomas Jefferson said to us, in his translation of a Latin verse, he said to us, he prefers dangerous freedom over peaceful slavery. Dangerous freedom over peaceful slavery. We have a choice that we have to make as citizens and fellow New Yorkers this year. And what is that choice? We can choose to comply, or we can choose to defy. I am going to tell you right now my stance, and you guys, I hope you make your own choices. I refuse to comply. And as some of you have seen, I refuse to hide. I walked in with my quote-unquote assault weapon. And it's still legal. I don't have to register until the 15th. Now, out of respect for the gun club, I put my weapon away. Out of defiance, I refuse to shoot on a line of fully compliant guns. And I apologize to those of you that I'm offending, That's how I am. I refuse to comply, and I refuse to stand in a timid manner. If I get arrested, I will stay in jail. I will not post bail, and I will tell the judge to throw me back in jail. I refuse to comply. If I'm worried about going to jail, what am I doing? There's one word for it.
Fear.
Complying. I'm complying. If I'm worried that the press is going to see my assault classified rifle, and I have to hide it from the press, I'm complying.
And we're here today to take hold of our liberties and our freedoms.